In this video, we will show you how to fix a Samsung Galaxy S22 that randomly freezes and lags. Random freezes and lags are often not serious, but they can be very annoying. They can often be due to some apps that have gone rogue or a minor glitch in the system. If you're one of the users with this kind of problem, the first thing you need to do is close the apps that are still running in the background and then do the forced restart. This will rule out the possibility that the problem is caused by some of your apps or that it's due to a system glitch. To close the apps, tap on the Reset key, and then tap Close All to quit them all at once. After that, force restart your phone by pressing and holding the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. It will trigger your phone to shut down and turn back on. Once the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow your phone to continue the boot process. After you've done that, try to see if your phone is still freezing or lagging randomly. Because if it still does, what you need to do next is to check if there's a software update available for your phone. Samsung often fixes common issues with an update, so to check if there's an update available, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Scroll all the way down and then tap Software Update. Now tap Download and Install to check in if there is an update. Install it. It might take a few minutes for your phone to finish updating, but once it's done, try to check if the problem is fixed. If the phone still freezes or lags randomly even after the update, then you have to check if there is still enough storage space, because if not, then that might be the reason why the phone's performance is sluggish. To check the storage, pull up the Apps drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and then tap Battery and Device Care. You should already see the amount of storage left in your phone. If necessary, delete some of your files, pictures, or videos. However, if your phone still has sufficient storage space left and the problem continues, then you have to reset all the settings. Doing so will bring everything back to factory defaults without deleting any of your files. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon to open the Settings app. Scroll down and then tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset to finally bring all the settings back to factory defaults. When the phone finishes the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed, because if not, then your last resort is the factory reset. Since it will delete all of your personal files and stuff, make sure to create a backup beforehand. Once you're ready, launch Settings again and then tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down a bit, and then tap Reset. Enter your security code to verify your identity, and then tap Delete All. Now enter your password and then tap OK to proceed. It will take a few minutes before the factory reset is finished. But once ready, set up your phone as a new device and it should work smoothly after that. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.